McFarlane is still manufacturing their Harrow. They're in their 101st year of business, and the Harrow here is their flagship item that so many people love. Will you tell us a little bit about the history of the Harrow, Jim?
Oh, absolutely. I'm proud to be a McFarlane Ag manufacturing employee. We're in our 101st year, and we manufacture all types of products and especially love to build Harrows, and we ship them worldwide. Not only that, McFarlane has a lot of history, but the Harrow itself has unbelievable history. Harrows go back 10,000 years to what's called the Neolithic times. They were nothing more than branches actually in the beginning, and people used them to level the soil, to incorporate seeds, things of that nature. Then the Egyptians went ahead and developed wooden Harrows, and from there the Romans one-upped them, and guess what they did? They developed metal spike teeth Harrows. We're still using them today. It's an ancient technology that works.
Yes.
The astute farmers today that use Harrows are the smart farmers. If you don't have one on your farm, you're missing the boat. In our next segment, we'll go ahead and talk about all the uses of a Harrow.